Hey guys, make sure you stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may spend hundreds, even thousands of dollars on repairs, parts, diagnostics that you don't need. Make sure you stay until the end. We will explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Life. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having Chevy Silverado, that generation here from year 2006 to year 2013. This is, guys, okay, the second generation Chevy Silverado. If you need to find the fuse for the rear sliding window, guys, okay, stay with us. We'll explain where you can find it. It's extremely hidden, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time. And why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. If you have a Chevy Silverado, that generation, that's the second generation from year 2006 to year 2013, we'll be making a video about every single fuse relay. Why? Because if you're in the middle of nowhere, you're down the road, you need to find a fuse for fuel pump, ignition, immobilizer, parktronic, anything like that, all we have to do, watch that video, spend less than a minute or two, find it, fix your problem, you're back on the road. Because most people will lose their manuals, or it will not be clearly specified in the manuals. Some fuses have multiple functions. So we'll be having more than probably 150 to 200 free repair videos on that. We guys make video constantly here at the garage. We take things apart, engines, transmissions, bodywork, a little bit of everything. And we have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channel that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Please check it out. In addition, guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools, special fuses, anything like that at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we'll share the links in the description of the video below. So let's start on it now. So the rear sliding window fuse, where you can expect to find it, we will demonstrate, guys, okay, on this 2009 model Chevy Silverado right here. You guys have three different fuse boxes. Today we'll be working just one. That fuse box is hidden on the driver's side. Open the door. Now usually the main interior fuse box is under this cover, but we do not need that one. We need another one, and it's under that cover right here on the right side of the parking brake paddle. Under that cover you will find a small fuse box with only 4 fuses. That looks like this one. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to always test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here, guys, we need to check, okay, just one fuse for the rear sliding window. Those are special fuses, 25mm fuses, only 4 of them in this fuse box. If you need to buy some, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. But now, guys, okay, here, which fuse we need to check? Coming from the bottom, you count 1, 2, 3, 4. So that last fuse right here, that's for the power sliding window that you will need to check. If you have any questions, if you want to know anything else specifically, let us know. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.